Hello, today I'll tell you something about drawing. I'm not professional at drawing, but I will try to help you about drawing. For drawing beautiful, your items don't have to be professional. If you will draw first time, B, 2B, 3B, and 4B are enough for you because you will draw first time and it don't have to be perfect drawing. If you show your pen perfectly, your drawing will change. Your pen's quality is another topic. Try to buy good pens. It will change your drawing. While drawing something, I usually start the drawing with shape because it is being your project and you are drawing on the shape. After draw shape, you are starting to draw your details, and after that shadows and more little details, and after your drawing is finishing. While drawing, you have to be relaxed, and if you will draw some object, you have to look at the object and examine them. Drawing object is a good topic. I told you something about drawing and I'm not professional about it. So I want to draw something, for example. First I have to think about what I will draw. Draw what you want, don't scare. Uh, if you scare, it has so details, it's very hard, I can't draw it. No, you can draw it. Think that I can draw it. I am doing this for hobby. It's my hobby. Get relaxed and try to draw it. Probably you can't draw, but don't get sad. Try again. Draw something forcefully, but get relaxed. It's your hobby. Think about it. Maybe it's your job. You are doing it forcefully, but try relax. Think that it's your hobby and I have to get relaxed. So I am relaxed now. I am doing this video, but I am thinking. I am telling my brain to. I am doing this for hobby. So I get relaxed now, and I will draw a hand. I will draw a hand right now. Yes, I first draw the shape, and now I will get in more details. Now I will uh, make shadows and finishing details. As I said, I'm not good at drawing. I tried to help you. This is my best. After finish the drawing, don't forget the signature.